Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to our channel Online Learning. This video is very important because I posted one opportunity on our channel yesterday from Collect Labs. So basically they are hiring for 21, 22, 23 batch. I know the number of positions is very less, but they are giving the direct examination test the exam date is on 15th November 2023. So many candidates are asking about that, like what is the exam process, what is the exam pattern syllabus, what about the free resources, what about the exam mail. So in this video we will discuss about all the important point, as well as most probably there are so many MNCs that they are hiring currently, as well as many mass hirings MNC are also sending the exam mail. So don't miss this any opportunity. Okay, as well as please like and share the video with your friend, as well as check the other opportunity as well, as because there is a immediate joining opportunity on our channel. Okay, as well as we are sharing the different opportunities for all of you. So first of all, you have to follow one process when you open this link. Okay, like when you open this link, so the Collect Labs hiring will be open. You have to simply fill this form. Okay, for which role you are applying. This is a software test engineer trainee, software test automation engineer, ST. Okay, and you have to fill all the details. So after that there is a online test. This is a open walk-in test conducted online. Walk-in means you do not have to go to office. Open walk-in. Okay, open walk-in test conducted online. So ये रही test की link. This is, here is the test link. You have to just copy from here and you have to just paste here. Okay, so like this type of page will be open. Like this is the online hiring test for freshers. This is a company name, address, and it is for BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MCA 23, 22, 21. So what about the exam pattern and syllabus? So basically they mention that there is a aptitude, there is a logical reasoning, there is a programming objective type and coding objective. So the 15 questions is there, 15, 20 and 20 questions are there, and time is according to this. So this is an online test and the online test is activated on 15th November 2023. There is a timings of test. So as you can see on my screen that like the test will be activated on the 10 AM. Okay, and you can attend the test in between 10 to 5 like 5 PM. Okay, so the test will be deactivated on November 15th. So basically the test examination date is 15th November, and in between 10 AM to 5 PM you can attend this test. As well as the test should be taken from only desktop laptop. You can't use mobile phone. Okay, please turn all notifications before you take the exam. Please make sure you have uninterrupted power and internet facility. There is no need to reach out to Collect Labs about the test result. You will be communicated about the technical interview schedule only if you are shortlisted from this test. If you are not shortlisted, you will not be communicated. So basically for aptitude, logical reasoning, you can check the IndiaBix website. Okay, why I am preferring this website to all of you? Because it is one of the best websites for aptitude and logical and reasoning purposes. For programming objective type and coding objective, you can check the Sen Foundry website. Okay, so most probably according to this skill set, they will be in the programming objective type and in the coding they will ask related to some software engineering questions. So you can check on the Sen Foundry website. As well as for the coding objective, there is a 40 minutes time. Okay, like 30 minutes is for programming objective and for coding there is a 40 minutes time. So basically this is related to that. And as well as if you are new to here, you have to just click on register here. First of all, you have to like fill your mobile number, OTP will verify, name, email address and register. At the time of examination, you have to just click on login here and you can start your test. Test is now, it is inactive because it will be activated on 15th November. So I hope you will understand all the process, that you have to just simply open this link and this is the test link. If you not receive the examination mail, so you can directly attend the test from here, but you have to just fill this form. Okay, so I hope this video is useful for everyone. Thanks for watching the video.